Hello, welcome back. Today is March 1st, 2022. Today is a kind of special day, sort of. I'm going to be doing two videos today. The first one is going to be an update on some of the carbon fiber parts that I put on. The other one is going to be not car related. I've been working on a steak. So I went to Costco, got a couple of ribeye choice steaks, whatever, the more expensive ribeyes. What I did was I surrounded the whole thing in butter. I butter aged it for 45 days. Today is the day that I cut into those things, throw them on the barbecue grill with wood, Kiave wood, I believe I'm going to be using today, Kiave charcoal, and cutting into that, and we'll see how that tastes. But first, let me show you what I did earlier. So I did a video on these guys around the door trim, carbon fiber accent, and I also did the door control panel. Now I was noticing that something looked kind of weird. If you look closely, this looks a little different. It's kind of silver blue looking. I don't know if you can see from another angle. Pardon the airplane flying over. That airplane. Anyway, now in the sunlight, this was bugging me. The first ones I did are here. This looks darker, kind of more like real carbon fiber. I do have some real carbon fiber that I'm working with, and this looks a lot more real compared to the kind of silver blue. So that was bugging me. What I did was I went back online, and these things are so cheap. I'll put a link in the description. Ta-da! China. Well, all that's going wrong in the world, at least this thing came out pretty good. So this is for the front and rear doors. And let's see if I can find a comparison so you guys can see. Hang on, let me see if I can open this up. These are cute. Doesn't taste too good. Okay. Gonna do this one hand, it's not easy. So again, these are ABS plastic that have been hydro dipped. Now, this looks a lot better. This looks like a little more like real carbon fiber. Yeah. So here they are, side by side. I don't know if you can see. See the kind of weird color? Blue, silver looking compared to this one that's a little more realistic, and it matches. Ta-da! So, again, they are held on with 3M double stick tape. I'm gonna leave them in the sun. When they heat up, like I said, when I leave it in the sun, it heats up and it just adheres a lot better. I'm gonna rip these guys off. Oh God, it's hard. Jesus. Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to find some way to pry this thing off because it is on there super good. I can't, yeah, that's not coming off. I'm also gonna do another video on something that should have came with the Toyota truck. Right there, this guy. This is the most useful modification anyone could ever do. It comes stock with the factory, from the factory with the passenger side, but it does not come with the driver's side. Now, I use this thing almost every single day. Practically every single time I get into this truck, I've used this thing. I've had it on for a little over a year now. The truck is lifted, as you can tell. Got a rough country lift on this. Now, I'm not a light guy. I am close to 240 pounds. And I grab this thing every day. I pull on it. See? This thing, and it's holding me. I love this thing. Toyota should have incorporated this into the trucks. I know Nissans do. I know my old 4Runner has it, but the new Tacomas do not. So a bunch of videos I'm gonna do. First, get this thing off, get the new one on, do the steak video, and do the rest of the videos. That's what I have planned for today. So got a lot of work to do. See you guys. All right, here we go. As you can see, it looks pretty darn good, and it matches the bottom one. Let me see if I can find some of my real carbon fiber. So there's so many different types of carbon fiber weaves that you guys can get. So this is one type of carbon fiber weave that I have here. And this is the real one. I got the ones with these little hex patterns, but as you can see, I mean, this compared to there, so kind of looks almost the same. But yeah, this is a good choice that I did. I will leave a link in the description for where I got these guys. So I'm gonna hit the back and we'll be done. Okay, so here's what we have. The bottom, this is the rear part of the truck, the rear doors. Rear driver's side. The fronts, like I said, came out really good. I just have to look for a company that makes one for the bezel around the stereo and for here. If not, you know what? I'll live with it. It is what it is, like I've been saying. So on to the next videos. We're gonna do the one that I'm gonna do a review and installation for the grab bars and the steak. The butter aged steak is coming up right now. I'm gonna go take care of that and get it on video. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching again.